TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Muncho muligerelia na gukwani bona ndonsia sobereta se marugoba yabono litukunilia ramisi stariki emerongebere na isano na isato muchinyoka no mwaka boichiri bubere na merongebere nebere chinsa chiaragire komichi yabono marugoba ngakende ngokwaligania semesa yamangana Amayia nyare gokomanya senchira yobwenge gati ali togende to kwaliganilia ayu asari bwatura jiko sansa muranera ase enchira yobwekirano ekero yaragire nse yamo yabono marugoba orito kubwatira nere kurwa sumuntu wimanyiriyo igakuru kwa Joshua Autsa iritira n'inchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Na nigo togo cha kemeroberi yagendrete kubekwa bosio buli tukoliyankyo asaba Kenya wachikotwara mawasabo yobwamo asegeti Kenya ya stadium haike gotoka se county ya Nairobi aso konyara kumusabero yokabeire umurai bwenso gatato aiga Kenya Emilio Mwaikibaki umobero ye ni gobono litukoliyankyo ranyaruki wasegeti ekyo ekero abana jeshi bagendrete kubeke meroberi na koiroberia ekibago chikokora litukoliyankyo ekero keliba beire bakubwatirana kurwali tuko lya Jumatatu maiga yumubiro yokoirwa ase bunge no nabo litukeli muryoka maiga yaba Kenya gukora korra umubiro yo igobona banajeshi bagendete nemerobiryo ase getie kyo Kenyayo inyerubuna umurobiryo mugima ni gogochia koragwa nabanajeshi ngoba uchikoira oburayi bwensi asokonyara ko enakina umurai bwenso gatatonya gusera Mwaikibaki ngochiare ko ni wali sukuli Jumamosi nabo maiga yumurubiryo buri tukoliyanke osama sabo yobwamo ayara kolekana segeti Kenyayo ni kumubiro yokwira ni wenkendo asenkendo yali oyura rusi woli tukoliya Jumamosi na konyara goko bwogwika asensemo yothaya abwasabo igobara kara masabo yobwamo maiga yaye ainigwe asenka yaye litukoliya Jumamosi era bestaliki emerongeteto umutenyo iga okane. Chinga kichi chiskuru bono chigendrete ko igurwa na boigo maiga ya matemo manene a KCP konyara koraligwa bwango iga niga baibuli base migwe kone kibunanko irabara bana babo chiskuru chiri babere bakorangirwa kolengana n'umwalimu bweskuru umwaso mwalimu mane bweskuru ya baiseke ya Lio Kyondo ose ya Lio Kindo omusubati Pamela Nyabuto nigo bono anyare gakobolia abaibuli ko imukige tambokere kyona ko irabana chiskuru chiri babere bakorangirirwa sokandana mateo sokandana n'amasomo abo asekerazi ya kenda gose form 1.
Pamela Nyabuto, principal of Kindo Girls. I have been in this school since 2015, and for the time I've been here, the school has improved a lot in terms of performance, academic performance, in terms of infrastructure, and in terms of enrollment. Let our parents take their children to home. The schools that we've been selected to, let them take them there. Actually, the schools that we have, they have trained teachers. We go through the same education system. So let them stop this rush of going to particular schools because of performance. You look at the just released cases 2021. Some of the sub-county schools performed equally well. Yeah, so parents actually should have what we call a paradigm shift so that they support the education generally. They do not prefer particular schools.
Na boigo abonchuriya wechiba obuna abonchuriya bande nigo bagandetse kwe murunganiria ogokina kwa mabuta ya gutumeka sobo sombi kolengana abonchuriya ubechibao nigo batebirebuna asengencho yogokina kweligo liya pare bagutumeka sobo sombi bwabo nigo noembaro buya betereri gokini ebintu byabakoni yakobwatekana buna nigo batumeka kibaza kinyinga so wekerania obo sombi bwabo nigo babure serikali kobeka kingencho nemirobili sene eliko nekubuna ligo liya mabuta nkonyara okea elia garebinte binga bono konyara komenta amagoli.
Asa marieta ni ngoro John Ogera omboga. Nabo igasia ne ni ngoro gasia carpentry and joinery. Kurenda sense meiga. Wewe ngo karotore gasi. Yokoro sibisumu byechingoko. Ebinto mbichenjete sana. Kerege ntorero gyakongire. No nyan transportation ni no ne binto togotumeka asia iga yaito. Biabeire ligo riri kongwa okogore binto birito gotumeka asemeremo biabeire igoro kobirusia seto kobinyora mpaka gaiga stogore gasi gobire ligo riri kong twasinyiru commentary igori ase bibiaito tokorosi gaiga onyendiri yare konyarekana nga serikali erigereria nsemeyo etokonye na kuregiure tikero kende njere binte biga ngambi basago kina ligo limono.
Na go tigana na yomure wense ya kayo musiko Uhuru Kenyatta ni gabarega kuboria chinse chirichi Afrika ya mocha gose East Africa kubwatira na monense ya Kenya kwane kibuna nkonyara chirego tinyomurembe ane monekerense ya Kenya yero berezo go chesobo choryo bonne buri bosio obogo chikokoleka n'umutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yega buchiri bubere na 22 uruni gatebere buno kubwatira na boy go tinga okomurembe igokora konyo 10 gokina ase chinse chonsi echo chi Afrika ya mocha igate birubuna na nyasobo choryo bone bole bosio ni gomo ne bwento gotoka maiga na nekero chikura starachi kokorwa.
By its very nature, peace is fragile and needs unceasing nurturing. Contrary to prevalent assumption, the state of peace in my own country, Kenya, and the rest of the East African community does not come without nurturing. It has been nurtured by peaceful, robust, collaborative efforts. At every stage of building our nation state, Kenya, the people of Kenya, in all their broad diversity, have made considerable personal as well as communal sacrifice to keep the flame of peace burning in our country.
Na umugavana we county ya Kisii James Yongwae magayo gokoreta ya yaso kumubwatsia umureweke mageo de merodinga sensemo ya Amerika ni gobono ngo yatabire buna ichina ichingake abakenya banze ko bwatsira erodinga sobo choryo bone bolibosio na kumwakireka ko unenchere ya mojo gochia konyora chikura achinsemo imeyense ya Kenya ka ukona kurwa sensemo ya Amerika ongwe ni gatabire buna raira ni garu muraibo marro na iwa isogo choro bunu murayo gatana sense ya Kenya nekirania mange na wegokini uchumi yense ya Kenya gati ya yanda mange.
Come here, it's very unfortunate that the fifth had to go back, but we've come here as a testimony and testament to the fact that we have the best candidate in the country. We have a man who has fought for democracy and for the subnational governments that we have ourselves right now in the country. A man who has fought for the poor and the helpless for many years. You know what happened in 2007. You know what happened in 2013. You know what happened in 2017. But like they say, there is a time, and I think this is his time. When I say inawezekana, I want you to say the faith. Inawezekana! Inawezekana! Thank you very much, my brothers.
Na boy gore rodinga ni gabeta ko irechinga kichia ya bena bego na bwatani bande ba watale tende go chia sense ya America konyara go kwana ba Kenya meta sense yo iko batete buna chinga kichi ni wacho ko bwatirana na gukina uchumi kati ya ndamange reda ko kwana kurwa sense mejo ni gaboliti ya ba Kenya wali bala sense ya America ko mochi nguru ana sobo choryo bonene uri busyo.
In Colorado, and I also lived in Kentucky. And when I was here, all those ideas that you're talking about were lingering in my mind every single day. In fact, I've just listened to the last gentleman who spoke about healthcare. And when I look at all of you here, you're all, one way or the other, working in the healthcare field. True or false? True. And we are trying to do so much in Kenya.
And then, so that we can harvest their skills, their experience, their resources, their collective wisdom to build a new Kenya. A Kenya where you will be proud to raise your children. I see in this room doctors, professors, PhD holders. I see students who have just landed in the United States of America, full of expectation. Some of you, from the look on your faces, could have been here for the last 10 years, 20 years, I think almost 20 years. And I see huyu mzee ambaye amevaa zimio, huyu inakaa amekula miaka 40.
Na chinga kiecha yagenrete ni gobona abwatani bekiama kya Wipakulwase County ya Lamu bagenrete kumwakire koko omusubati Martha Karua ni gobabure komiti y'abantu batano na babiri aho bachorono mubwa Azimio One Kenya eriko chikoligereria na kurwelieta yo chikobe running mate ya Raila abwatani ya watana babirose komiti ya chorwa y'abantu batano na babiri ni gobwento kurwelieta yo chikobe running mate ya Raila oikasitaliki 10 omutinyo gatano mwako yoiga nigo chinga keche abwatani bekiama kya Wipakulwase County ya Lamu abanyare bakogania waganiri Martha Karua anyare gochorwa buno mokonyo Raila asobochoryo bone bole bosyo chikobuni running mate yaye eliko ne kibunanko bwa balichukura Akulwase Chinsemo ao.
Kwa nini sio mwanamke, sio mwanamume, ni mwanamke? Kwa sababu tushaona tayari uongozi wa wanaume wakiwa wawili katika serikali ya Kenya imeathirika kwa kiwango kikubwa. Kwanza serikali ambayo saa hii iko karibu kutuacha. Tumeona wababe wawili wakipigana bila sababu na Wakenya wameumia bila sababu. Kwa sababu hiyo tunataka mabadiliko na mabadiliko haya yanakuja kupitia Martha Karua.
Kwa hivyo nyumba kukamilika lazima kuwe na baba, lazima kuwe na mama. Hata wangesimama wengi kugombania hiki kiti tungesema sisi ni Martha Karua ndiye ambaye anahitimu kugombania hiki kiti, sababu historia yake yenyewe si lazima mtu mueleze, inajionyesha wazi kwamba yeye anatosha kugombania hiki kiti.
Mimi niko na uhakika ya kwamba atakaposhika hatamu ya deputy president katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, huyu mama Kenya inaenda kubadilika. Na nikifurahia ni kwamba mzee wetu Raila Amolo Odinga amekuwa akisema ni mpaka tukue na mageuzi. Ninafurahi ni kwa sababu nchi yetu ya Kenya tunaenda kuwa na mageuzi ya kuwa na first deputy president ambaye ni mama Martha Karua, na mimi niko na imani na hiyo.
Monjumu ligereria nyorobono niko gendrete kotengera Ndizi TV bwansu bumugusia majase nchira Amayia Chinsa Ikomi nonko yakiro mosumali gabu nyanato kanto kwarenganira mange bunabono oyo koligie kero kyo MC Akulwase ward ya Central Duka Buri oyibono bete kakoba omutanganya sobo choriko zinu munitions bwa kole kanteme ya county ya Kisii magayo ikasensemo ya Nairobi ni gabero no ichana asesa Andrew Nundu arokane buna nero irwe ticket ya UDA oyibono betana mbaisato asobo choryo boke bwa kolekaneta se county ya Kisii asokurwandre kirogo kyobo MC na Akulwase ward ya Kisii Central roboti urunto ngana to kubwatiri monjumu ligereria gekora gense muntu cyo kumanyalia gendrete maigayo betana mbe ya masobo choryo ime Duka Buri korokana gotegwe ticket ya UDA abwaso yo betana mbaisato sa Andrew Nundu arokane bonero yo ticket ya UDA ekero wekeli bale asensemo ya Nairobi ayu togandero kubwateria na ukumanya century wekira no ekero yaragira nseyemo yabono margo batubwati wetera sensemo ya mtandao semo ya Facebook tonyaro buna Ndizi TV News na wegensemo ya YouTube na bogotonyaro buna Ndizi TV News nyora abogochira Ndizi TV ne senikya onambe yemo aso wakekura aso kolikireta kuza KUZN unyare gotuma gochia se 15601 na ulikereta kuza KUZN otuma gochia se ya moisano isano na menote yemo nyara turi gwakanda kende gyonse yakero gotuma SMS gochia ase 15601 maiga yokolika elieta kuza tumirane ense yemo jabono margoba olitobotana Joshua Uta ilitirana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
murigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ryubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na Boigo Rift Valley akesimi